Alright, here is the 12-inch Crescent wrench, finished, cleaned up. I used the wire wheel on it everywhere that I was able to. And where I wasn't able to, I soaked it this end because I couldn't get up in here, and the LCR, and it worked really well. I left it in there for about 24 hours. It worked very well. I was surprised. I've seen videos where this is a screw, but all of mine are not screws and I can't take it apart. So that's the 12-inch Crescent wrench, cleaned up really well. Easy, LCR, and now I'm going to use this stop rust, stable, whatever. And I'm going to use it, put on it to keep it from rusting. So these people do not pay me. These people do not pay me for this, but it's a good product and I like it. And so I'm going to call this complete. I'm going to get it posted. And thank you very much. Get your tools cleaned up.